Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Hey everyone, welcome back to Technic Force. YouTube is testing a brand new feature that honestly might change how we teach and share knowledge on this platform. It's called YouTube Courses, and get this, it lets you turn your videos or playlists into a structured course right on your channel and completely free. And I've actually got access to it right now, so I'll walk you through what it is, how it works, and why this might be a game changer for creators like us. So here's the big news. YouTube is quietly rolling out a feature that allows creators to create courses directly from their creator studio. So right now it's only available to a limited group of creators, but based on how YouTube usually operates, they'll probably expand it once testing is done, kind of like what they've done with shorts, podcasts, and community posts in the past. So, if you've been making tutorial style content, marketing, educational videos, or even step by step guides, this new feature might be perfect for you. So, here's how you can tell if you have access. Go to your Creator Studio, click the Create button. So, right here, you have upload videos. You can go live, create post, new playlist, new podcast, and here's the new feature, which is called New Course. So, this one. When you click that, YouTube takes you to a setup page where you can add your course title. So you have right here, just put your course title, and below you have a description, and of course, decide if your course should be public, private, or unlisted. After that, you can start adding videos, either new uploads or ones you've already published. So it's super simple and looks a lot like building a playlist, but with some added learning tools built in. Or you can also go to content, and right here in the categories, you have courses. So just click on it. And right here, you can click on new course to create your course. And if you click on learn more, here you can see course requirements and some community guidelines, etc. Now, YouTube's not only just letting anyone throw random videos together and call it a course, there are a few key requirements. So, first, it has to teach something. Your course should actually help viewers learn. So, whether that's explaining a concept, demonstrating a skill, or giving actionable steps. Second one is it must be accessible for all ages. So, no age restricted or adult content. And the third one is it needs at least 3 videos. So, that's the minimum for a valid course. And you also can't reuse the same video multiple times or include videos from other creators' channels. And if your course doesn't meet these requirements, YouTube might just convert it back into a regular playlist. And if you keep doing that, you could even lose access to the courses feature altogether. Now, this next part is really interesting because YouTube is changing how learning content gets monetized. So, you might remember that they once allowed one time paid courses on the platform. Well, that's ending. So, starting October 15, 2025, you won't be able to buy new one time courses. And by November 17, 2025, the system will shut down completely. So, instead, YouTube's moving toward an ad supported and channel membership model for courses. So basically, you'll be able to make your courses free and supported by ads or lock them behind a membership for your paying subscribers. So it's a smart move because it keeps the learning experience native to YouTube and ties it directly into your channel community. Now, here's why I'm genuinely excited about this. If you're someone who already makes educational or how to content, like how to edit videos, how to start a channel, how to cook, how to play guitar, how to create animation videos, you can now structure that content into a real course without leaving YouTube. So, no extra platforms, no added cost. You can track analytics, see how each video in your course performs, and you can build an actual learning path for your audience. Now you can keep everything under one roof. So YouTube handles the hosting, the audience, and even the monetization. So personally, I think this could be a massive opportunity, especially for educators, marketers, coaches, or anyone with a niche audience. So if people ask you deeper tutorials or step-by-step breakdowns, this new feature makes it easier than ever to organize that into something real and accessible. The only limit now is creativity. So if you've got knowledge to share, YouTube just give you another way to deliver it. So what do you think? Would you try this YouTube courses feature once it rolls out to everyone? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. Before we end this video, I'm extremely thrilled to show you Tuberank Jeet AI, which is the most recent and most advanced version of Tuberank Jeet. This version includes a lot of artificial intelligence all around the app. Automate your YouTube SEO with AI and community intelligence. Get unlimited organic YouTube traffic with rankings that stick forever. Grab the secret tool that has helped build thousands of high traffic YouTube channels. Get more views, subscribers, and build an audience for any channel you choose. Paid ads not needed. Backlinks not needed. SEO and language skills not needed. AI enhanced and AI powered optimization at every single step. Write and rewrite your titles, descriptions, etc. with AI. Discover keywords and hashtag alternatives using AI. One-click optimization with AI. The ultimate YouTube research tool for any niche and topic. Tested and approved by YouTube. Use community-driven intelligence and AI both to rank your videos. Optimize and rank videos for any language and region. Perfect for agencies and service providers. Claim your free organic YouTube traffic with the least possible work. No more juggling dozens of complicated and expensive tools. No more burying your head in books trying to figure it all out. No more watching your traffic, sales, and future prospects dry up. Helping thousands of YouTubers rank to the top every day. Before, Tuberank Jeet 5 was available only for Windows, but now Tuberank Jeet works natively on Mac OS. All features are now available on Mac. So what are you waiting for? Get Tuberank Jeet now. Just go to tuberank.com.